Recently, I facilitated a 2-hour laugh-it-off team-building workshop for the People Insights, Strategy, and Culture team at the Coca-Cola Company. I invited employees and leadership to participate in a series of fun, customized humor exercises that can be used to decrease stress and build community. The team practiced wrapping their frustrations in humor so they could reframe some of the challenges they all face. At the end of each exercise, they worked in groups to create memes that illustrated their funny ideas. This is a powerful and simple strategy that can be practiced daily to lighten the culture and laugh along the way. And they even had a chance to stand up and perform some of these jokes in front of their peers. Practicing humor like this can spark laughter in ourselves and others, which diffuses tension and strengthens trust and psychological safety in the workplace, because a team that laughs together grows together. So what did the leadership say about this dynamic team building experience?
It was a perfect workshop. It was nice to be able to get up and laugh, really nice to get to know my team better and for people to break out of their shells.